In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to present in PowerPoint while viewing your notes. PowerPoint presentations are a cornerstone in both professional and educational settings. Often you need to present complex ideas or data in a way that's engaging and understandable, but remembering every detail and statistic can be daunting. That's where PowerPoint's presenter view becomes a game changer. This feature allows you to see your notes on your computer while the audience sees only the slideshow on the main screen. So let's walk through the process step by step. First, let's start with the basics. Open your Microsoft PowerPoint software. This may seem straightforward, but make sure you are opening the version of PowerPoint you are most comfortable with. Some features may vary between different versions, but the presenter view is available across the board. Once you've got PowerPoint open, you'll need to access your presentation file. Do this from the opening screen by selecting the file you plan to present. If it's a new presentation, you'll need to spend some time creating your slides and adding necessary notes to each slide. Remember, these notes will be your cue cards during the presentation, so make sure they are clear and concise. Now, with your file open and ready, it's time to enable the presenter view. Navigate to the Slideshow tab in the PowerPoint ribbon. This is typically located at the top of your PowerPoint window, among other tabs like Home, Insert, and Design. Familiarizing yourself with the PowerPoint ribbon can tremendously improve your efficiency in creating and managing presentations. Within the Slideshow tab, you'll find several options to customize how your presentation is displayed. Look for a checkbox labeled Use Presenter View. Checking this box is crucial as it activates the dual display setup that allows you to see your notes on one screen while the audience sees only the slides on the other. If you're setting up beforehand, ensure that your computer is connected to a projector or secondary display. This dual setup is essential for utilizing the presenter view effectively. But before we go any further, let's talk a bit about what you can expect to see on your screen once you start your presentation in presenter view. On your personal screen, you'll see the current slide, the next slide, any notes you've associated with the current slide, and a timer to help keep track of your presentation length. This setup can significantly aid in delivering a smooth, well-paced presentation. To actually start your presentation, you can click the slideshow button typically found at the bottom of the PowerPoint window, or use the F5 shortcut on your keyboard. Once the presentation starts, you might need a moment to adjust to the presenter view's layout. Take a deep breath. The main thing is to focus on your presentation and the story you are telling. Your notes are there as a guide, not a script you must follow word for word. A few additional tips can make your presenter view experience even smoother. First, practice using presenter view before your actual presentation. Familiarity will improve your confidence and help you navigate your notes more efficiently. Second, keep an eye on the timer. It's easy to get caught up in one part of your presentation, but remember, the goal is to keep your audience engaged from start to finish. Lastly, customize the notes you input for each slide. What you include should serve as prompts and not paragraphs of text you'll feel compelled to read verbatim. In conclusion, PowerPoint's presenter view is a fantastic tool for professionals and students alike. It allows you to present confidently, keeping all your crucial cues right in front of you without revealing them to your audience. With practice, you'll find this feature not only improves the quality of your presentations, but also your ease in delivering them. Thank you for tuning in, and I hope this tutorial empowers you to tackle your next presentation with greater confidence and control. Happy presenting!